Hello everyone, this is Greg Donahoe with Heartland Honda Power Sports and Marine in Springdale, Arkansas. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Behind me we have a brand new 2022 Manitou 25-foot Encore RF SHP Sport Handling Package 575, powered by a Honda BF250 IST motor. We're going to go around the outside, talk about the build, the quality and what you get, then we're going to hop up on it and go through everything on the boat. A little bit about Heartland Honda Power Sports Marine. We've been a Honda dealer since 1996. We're locally owned, family owned. The owners work in the store. We've got 4 red level Honda certified technicians. We're very, very strong with service. We believe in customer service and customer support to the nth degree. We really like what we do. We're very good at what we do, and we hope you'll give us the opportunity, should you ever want something we have, to help you with it. Enough about that. Let's get on to this boat. If you come around the back here, you're going to see this beautiful white Honda BF250. It's a 6-cylinder. It's a very powerful engine. It's very fuel efficient, super quiet, super dependable, and provides plenty of power to power this big boat. This does have a saltwater package, which basically there's a few things on the front, but you've got the anodes back here on both sides, and it helps just with corrosion and everything. It's just an added feature. It's not necessary, but it's a nice thing to have. You also have this aluminum folding telescoping ladder. Goes deep into the water, makes getting in and out of the water very easy for all your passengers. It's a really nice feature. Then when you're not using it, you just put it up and it stows right there perfectly. Part of the premium package with this boat does have is got the corner castings here for more protection with the stainless steel cleats on it. You can see, come around here, you'll see the other side, it's got the underwater lights. There's the other anode for the saltwater package, the other corner casting. You can see the ski tow bar. This is fully equipped to pull skiers, tubes, wakeboarders, whatever you want. Plenty of power to do it, plenty of performance to do it, and it's a lot of fun doing it. This also comes with the fuel water separator. It's a really nice thing just to keep any of the moisture and condensation water out of your fuel lines. It's a nice feature. It also comes with that saltwater package. If you come around the side of this boat, you can see the beautiful skins on it. You've got the black inlay with the silver. It really, really ties together. You've got the black rail fencing on here, so it just all comes together and looks really, really good. This boat, another thing with the saltwater package is you got a solid weld on this keel here. One of the things with the SHP, the sport handling package on these Manitous, they're unlike any other pontoon boat as far as performance goes. They set the standard for the ultimate performance. And basically what you have a 27-inch inner tune that goes all the way, so the diameter is 27 inches. The outers are 25 inches, hence the 575. And they've got lifting strakes on the inside and outside of all 3 tunes, which really enhances the performance and the stability. And it's amazing when you turn one of these at full speed, it turns like it's on rails. It is incredible that a pontoon boat can really perform like this, but they do. And that's what, like I said, Manitou sets the standard for performance when it comes to that. And you can see the front of the skin. This is a 25-foot boat. I believe actual length of the pontoon's like 26 feet 4 inches, and the actual length on deck is 25 feet 10 inches. Anyhow, great looking boat. Back up a little bit, you'll see the black double Bimini. That's an option that we've added. Really gives you the ultimate coverage for, you know, the hot days, or if you need more sun, you got little kids and you don't want them getting sunburned all day, or you just need to provide more shade to your passengers. The double Bimini is a great way to do it. And if you don't want the second part of it, it's easy to remove or take completely off and just run with your single Bimini. So it's a really cool option. It's becoming quite popular. It's kind of one of those things, it's better to have it, not need it, than need it, not have it. Now we're up on top of the boat. We're going to go through the entire layout with the floor plan. This is the 25 Encore RF rear facing couches, front couches. As you'll see, the seating capacity, which this is 14, is phenomenal. There's so much storage and seating capacity on this boat. There's plenty of room for all your friends and then some. You can see how easy it is. Open the front gate to enter. You come on in. Beautiful gray teak flooring, which is an option that's available when you add the premium package. You've got the beautiful seats with the gray and the white, and then the textured back here. These are so comfortable, so durable, soft. Just a phenomenal build for the furniture package on here. One of the cool things on this boat is just the pure amount of storage. Underneath every seat, including the in-tube storage, there's storage. So just to give you an idea, when you pull this open, opens up all the way for easy access. You've got your portable cup holders. It comes with a couple of these. You can put these wherever you want. Holds 2 cups, very versatile, front to back, whatever you want to do. All your owner's manual and everything comes in your personalized Manitou little cover, carrying cover here. Close this back up, super easy. If you want, there's 2 more here. Storage under this one, totally dry storage. Also under this seat, more storage. So I mean, you can put life jackets, towels, picnic stuff, whatever you can think of. There's plenty of space to store it. You come over to the other side, it's identical except you have a full-length bench here, but the front is the same. Storage, look how big that is. Opens all the way, easy to get to and access everything. And then look at this one. It's incredible how much you could put in there. Just phenomenal amount of storage. Like I said, it's overly impressive, but in my opinion, you can never have enough storage when you're on your boat, because you always need lots and lots of stuff. You can kind of see this is the front part of the double Bimini. It attaches right here to your single Bimini, and that enables you to have full coverage of this thing. It's a 25-foot boat, and we have about 4 feet not exposed to the sun, so it's really nice. And they do fold back, so if you don't want them out when you're on the lake, or for transport, they fold up and there's covers for them. You have the upgraded glass windshield. This is real glass. It provides nice protection for the driver, yet it's not too tall so you can see over it. Your visibility is just really good. Another nice option, if you come over here, got the Mosquito Mirror. It's got a wide angle, so if you are pulling tubers, skiers, whatever, the driver doesn't have to break his neck to turn around and see what's going on behind him. It's also a safety item, so oncoming boats and everything, you can see them coming. So it's a nice feature people like to add to it. If you get into, we'll come back to the cockpit here in a minute. You've got both your kicker speakers up here. They do have LED lights. Part of the premium package we've added to this thing has all kinds of LED upgrades, including the speakers, the seat bases, the cup holders, just lots of stuff. You have 2 more integrated cup holders right here that hold big drinks. In here, if you're wondering, this is the in-tube storage. It's about 7 feet long inside there. You can store skis, tubes, life jackets. We keep the mooring cover. It does come with a mooring cover. We keep it in there with the poles to keep it up. Just a lot of nice storage in here. You've got the helm dry box here. It's an option that comes with the premium package as well. Nice storage here for quick access stuff, sunscreen, wallets, phones, keys, whatever you might need to put in there. And then underneath the helm, you have even more storage, and it does come with a little Igloo 36 quart, cooler. That comes standard. There's some of your Bimini covers, and then more storage. All of your electronics, your Seastar power assist steering pump is right there. It does come with power steering, makes this 250 Honda very easy to steer. Let's put the cooler back in there, close that back up, and come over here to the passenger side. Now turn around here real quick. So normally this is where you would put the changing station. One of the upgrade options instead of the changing station is this table that pops out with 2 cup holders. Now you have another table to eat or serve food on or whatever. It's also got additional storage underneath of it, and then if you want to store it up, you just pull this up like that. Don't get your hand caught in there, and close it up. And then as you can see, the passenger chair, it's the port lounger with the kick-out footrest, so it literally reclines. The footrest kicks up just like a lazy boy would. It rotates, reclines, armrests go up and down. Super comfortable, very versatile. Another cup holder over here. Now we're going to move over to the captain's helm, and you can see it's an elevated platform, so you do sit up a little bit above, gives you better viewing to see where you're going and what's going on up there. You do have a bolster seat, so if you're one of those people like me that likes to drive kind of sitting up like this, you got the bolster you can use. It's a really nice feature. Your steering wheel does telescope up and down, so you can put it wherever you want it, wherever is most comfortable. This has the upgraded Garmin 743 XS display. It's a super functional display. It's got sonar, down scan, side scan, maps, charts. So you can put on there, your lake will be on there. It's already on there, and all the contours will be there. You can leave breadcrumbs, so if you don't know the lake very well, you want to be sure you can get back to your boat dock or launching ramp. It'll take you right back. You can set waypoints, points of interest, anything and everything. It'll also have all your engine diagnostics on it. So you'll have your RPMs, water temperature, water depth, all kinds of stuff. It's a really cool feature. You also have a couple of outlets here, 12-volt charging and 2 USB chargings. So if you need to charge additional equipment, phones, speakers, whatever, you can do that right there. All your other buttons up here for your docking lights, anchor lights, horn, nav lights, and a couple additional accessory buttons. 2 more cup holders up here once again. And then over here you've got your transom bilge pump, in-floor storage bilge pump, and in-floor storage light. And this does have a 14-person or 1,935 pound rating. It's like I said, it's equipped to haul a lot of people. Over here you have your digital IST setup. So IST is an intelligent shift technology patented by Honda, basically throttle by wire, so there's no wires or anything. It is super smooth when you're going forward and reverse. Obviously you got your trim gauge or your trim up and down on your motor, and then it's got a troll mode, active, fast, idle mode. It's got some pretty cool stuff. And then of course your safety kill switch with your key over here. So that's driver's side. The seat also rotates and back, just like the passenger one. It does all those features. Your main Bimini also has LED lights built into it. At night, this boat is absolutely gorgeous with all the LED lights. It's daytime here, so I haven't bothered to turn the lights on because you just wouldn't be able to see them very well. But at nighttime, it is an absolutely gorgeous boat. Another thing that we have added is an additional stereo head back here. So if the passengers want to take over the music, these are Bluetooth fusion units. They sound really good. So you can operate it from here or from the driver's helm. Makes it really nice and functional. Gives you ultimate versatility for music, which everybody likes. You do have the table here that rotates this way or this way. It also easily removes from the floor and stores under one of the seats or the in-tube storage, so if you don't want it or it's in the way. But it really provides nice, there again, seating to eat, put snacks on, serve from, whatever, additional cup holders in it. As you can see, there's 2 cup holders on both sides of these rear-facing couches for the back. And then there's ample storage under here as well. If you check this out, you might have to come over on this side when I open this all the way up. Look all the way in there. I mean, it is huge in there. You could put a ton of stuff. And the other side is just like it. So once again, you're not going to be hurting for storage on this pontoon boat. More storage underneath this seat. And likewise under this seat. If I can get it open. There we go. Lots and lots of storage. 2 more cup holders over here. 2 more cup holders over here. Now we've got some more stuff going on under here. You have a little bit of storage, but really what this is going to be used for is your dual battery smart switch and your battery charger. So we've got the Manitou dual battery switch, smart switch. So we're going to hook up 2 batteries to it, and when you turn it off, it kills power to everything. So if you left the radio on, or you left some lights on, or anything else, it wouldn't matter. Once you're done boating for the day, you turn that off and it kills everything. And then you plug in your battery charger right here. There's the outlet, and that's going to keep your batteries fully charged at all times. That's all equipment that we've added to this boat, but it's something that you're really going to like. And if there's one thing you need on a boat, it's fully charged batteries at all times. That enables you to do that. Your second battery will go under this seat right there, and then there is some extra storage under here for different things. Maybe you put your fire extinguisher or whatever else you might want to put on there. When you come to the back, you've got the rear panel for access here. You've got your mounted ski tow bar, like I said, very equipped to pull skiers, tubes, wakeboards, whatever you want. Full swim deck off the back. There's your ladder we talked about earlier, your Honda BF250IST motor, and your fuel separator there. The fuel fill is over on the side. This does come with about a 46-gallon fuel cell. So with a fuel efficient Honda engine, 46 gallons of gas, you can have fun for a whole weekend. It's really fuel efficient. So this is a beautiful boat. It's premium package, which is the limited package plus everything that comes with the premium. It's fully loaded. You know, this is just one of those great boats. We'd love for you to come check it out. You can see it on our website at heartlandhonda.com, or you can come see it in person at 824 South 48th Street in Springdale. We'd be happy to take you out for a demo on the water if that's something you're interested in. We can deliver pretty well anywhere in the United States. We certainly offer financing. We have great financing with rates as low as, I don't know, 5-6%, which is pretty good given these times. Obviously with approved credit and all that. But that's about it for this boat. Appreciate you watching it. Hit us up, like the video if you like it. If you got any questions, call, text, come by, whatever you can do. Heartland Honda signing off. Thank you.